Okay, what we're going to be doing today is evaluating piecewise function, okay? And a piecewise function looks like this. And all it is a function that's in different pieces, okay? So the way we read this is f of x is equal to. So we use x squared if x is less than or equal to -4. We're going to use 3 if -4, oh, let's erase that, okay. If -4 is less than x and if x is less than 7. So basically you're saying if x is in between -4 and 7, you're going to use this middle one. If your x is greater than or equal to 7, you're going to use this function, okay? And I'm asking what's f of 0, f of -8, and f of 7. So what we have to do is figure out, well, where does this x value lie? Is it here, here, or here? So this first one's asking what's f of 0? So you go to your function, is 0 less than or equal to -4? Well, no, it's not, right? It's bigger than that. Is it in between -4 and 7? It is. So that means we're going to use this middle function. And it tells me f of x is equal to what? Well, it's equal to 3. So in this case, I didn't need to do any calculations. I just know 0 is in between -4 and 7. And if it is, it tells me to spit out 3. Okay? The next one asks, well, what is f of -8? So again, we're going to go through my thing. So is -8 less than or equal to -4? Well, yeah, -8 is less than -4, right? So we're going to use this. So we're going to plug this x value into here. So this is going to be -8, and then it tells me to square it. Well, what's -8 squared? That means -8 times -8, and that's going to give me a 64. So that's my answer for this one, okay? Now this is saying f of 7. So again, I'm going to go through my 3. Is 7 less than or equal to -4? Well, no. Is it in between -4 and 7? No, 7 is not in between -4 and 7. But it is greater than or equal to 7 because this adds the equal to. So since this number has the equal to, I'm going to use this function down here. And again, all I'm going to do is plug this x value into my function. So I'm going to go 3. I'm going to plug in that 7 with parentheses plus 2. And then I just solve this out. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 equals 23. So again, with piecewise function, the main thing is whatever this x value is, you have to figure out which one of my 3 pieces, or 2, or they could give you 7 pieces. It just depends on how many they give you. But you have to figure out which one of these do I fit into. And once you know that, you take the x value and you plug it in here. If it equals just a number, I didn't have to plug anything in. I just use whatever number they tell me. Okay? And that's what we got for today. Let's go.